Hola YouTube, this is KAYLA Symonne. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to present you a fall makeup look. Like, what else am I here for? Why would I be here if I didn't have a makeup look for you? So yeah, we're going to get into this makeup look really soon. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Click that subscribe button. Also click the bell button so you never miss any uploads that I have coming for you guys. Are you ready? 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 Are you ready?
Trap money, Benny. This shit got me in my feelings.
Alright guys, so I have already prepped my brows and I have tape on my eyes, so I'm going to dip into this like reddish brown orangey color. This whole fall look is going to be based around reds, browns, and oranges because I think those are like pretty much the colors of the leaves, the colors of autumn, the colors of fall. And so I call this look like a pumpkin spice look or whatever. So I think it's really cute. So I am just brushing in that color. I'm going in this palette and grabbing an orange color, and this is the Morphe C palette, the color palette, and I am dusting that over the brown that I just picked up. Sorry if it's moving kind of fast. Some of the imagery and video clips I did lose, so I'm just trying to explain to the best of my ability. But I am just going over that brown to buff that out so it's not so harsh, give it a more blown out effect. And I'm going to do that on both sides. So now I'm going to dip into the Jaclyn Hill palette, into this color, and I am also going to deepen up that crease a bit more. I'm going into this like reddish brown. Like I said, I started with a brown, I layered that orange color on top, and now I'm deepening up the crease with the reddish brown color. And these are all fall vibes. This is supposed to be a fall look. I'm trying not to talk the whole video, but I haven't done a makeup video in a while, and so I'm super excited to do this. So yeah, of course, applying that pressure to both eyes, and I like to do both eyes at the same time because it's hard for me to replicate after I finish the whole eye. So now I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm just taking a LA Girl concealer. I believe in Cool Tan, and I am going to cut the crease, and this is more of a matte look because I did not use a shimmer on the lids, which is crazy because I normally am putting a shimmer on the lid to top it off, but this time I decided to do a whole matte eye. And so I am just carefully carving out that crease on both sides and then blending it out so that way the edges aren't so harsh, but you can definitely tell there's a line of demarcation. That's like the whole point of a cut crease, is just to make sure that there is some sort of contrast between the darker colors you put down. And so now I'm going into this yellowish tan color. It's like a skin tone yellow color. I'm gonna pat that on my eyes, and I really love the way these colors all came together. So I would encourage you, if you're playing with eyeshadows and makeup, don't be scared of color because you'd be surprised how it turns out. And I really don't like the way my footage looks right here. I don't know what's going on with the lighting. So sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so I'm just still deepening up that crease and buffing that through because I want to make sure that I keep that definition and make sure everything's blended. And it'll be time for me to put on some eyeliner, but I do have to just blend it out. And so blend to your liking. Some people are different. Some people love harsh spots of color. And so now I'm taking the Fenty Fly Liner, which I'm almost out. I'm so sad about that. I have to go pick up a new one. But I just take that fly liner and I am lining my eyes. So this is the only way I can line my eyes on camera for whatever reason, because doing it by myself, I always tend to mess up on camera. So I'm taking the tape off, and I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin as my primer, and I'm just rubbing that in. This kind of fills in my pores. I'm trying to get like a grasp on this North Carolina weather and how my skin is reacting. So I use this primer for today. I don't really think I cared for it paired with the CoverGirl, but this is the CoverGirl Made Matte Foundation, and I have been loving this foundation ever since I got it. It just depends on the primer that I use. Like I said, this Maybelline one I didn't really care for in conjunction with it. So I probably won't use that combo again, but yes, this foundation is a bomb. Like, with the right primer, it makes me matte all day, and I thoroughly enjoy the finish that I get. And so I'm going to buff that in, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I believe in Cool Tan again. And I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. You guys know the routine. You've seen contouring and highlighting videos. And if you guys want another one that's more in-depth, let me know. But there's so many videos out there. I doubt that you guys need it. And so I sprayed my beauty blender with my setting spray. And then I'm just going in and blending that out. And so now I am setting all the high points of my face that I have blended out with the Sacha Buttercup powder. You know, that's my old faithful. I love that powder. It's a yellow based powder, and so it does not make me look ashy. Out of all the powders that I've ever used, this has been like pretty much my go-to and my favorite. I've even dipped in Laura Mercier, and I actually like Sacha, so maybe I need to try Laura again, maybe in a darker powder, but I really love this Sacha Buttercup powder. And so, sorry I missed the clip on me applying my lipstick. I don't know what happened, but this is the finished product, guys. I hope you love this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Look at you, staying until the end of the video. I just wanted to say, guys, I did end up using a lip gloss, okay, on top of the orange color. I made that orange color in my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. So yeah, if you guys wanted to mix something like that, you could, but I just wanted to throw that in there. I still love you guys. Peace and love.